It's time to get those shopping lists ready. For breakfast, Albertsons has a clip or click coupon for large Lucerne eggs at $1.49 each. At Bash's', get red seedless grapes for 69 cents per pound. Safeway has 6-ounce containers of sweet raspberries or blueberries for 88 cents. Normally, it's 2 for $6. And Fry's has personal seedless watermelon for 77 cents. Food City has deals on the veggies in season. 3 cucumbers for 99 cents, 3 pounds of brown onions for 99 cents, 4 pounds of bulk carrots for just $1, and Bash's' has red and gold potatoes for 88 cents per pound. At Albertsons, pay 77 cents per pound for chicken, and check out Food City's 3-day sale Friday through Sunday. Pay 97 cents per pound for country-style pork ribs. Time for dessert. Get 50% off novelty ice cream at Bash's', and buy one get one ice cream deals are at Safeway. Also at Safeway, a clip or click coupon for 32-ounce Powerade sports drinks at 58 cents each. Albertsons has a single-serve cake slice for $1 each in the bakery. We have even more grocery deals at abc15.com/smartshopper.
I could see just walking out of the bakery just with a piece of cake.
Yeah, why not,
What
right?
cake? Is
Or
it your
just
birthday?
shopping,
No.
eating a donut.
I like
just
it.
Why not?
Now we're talking.
That's what I'm talking about. We're also starting to see deals pop up for Memorial Day, so you'll see things
Oh,
on
yeah.
discounts, pool toys, barbecue spatulas, tablecloths, flags, all kinds of fun like that. And I didn't know this. Did you know that Safeway has home delivery?
I did not know this.
So
I like that.
they can actually rush orders to your house in as little as 2 hours.
Okay.
Makes
How
it even
awesome.
easier.
All about convenience
I
now,
know,
isn't it?
Yeah.
right?